Hey everybody, I'm Grant. I'm a communications specialist here at SafeStep. I do a lot of our social content and I wanted to help walk you through actually using one of our walk-in tubs. Pretty simple here. We have a light up keypad to make it really easy. Just turn on the power right there. So before you get into the tub, we recommend turning on the heated seat and backrest. Let it get nice and warm for you before you hop in. All right, once you feel the seat and the backrest start to get warm, you can feel free to step in the tub whenever you like. Just lift the handle. Step right in, sit right on down, close the door. Our handle here is ease of use certified, so it should be really easy to close the door and seal in all your water. All right, and once you're actually in the tub, you just turn on your water here. This is a demo, so we don't have this connected to water right now. And if you prefer, you can just fill up the footwell and get a nice leg massage. We recommend wearing a robe to keep you, again, nice and warm while you wait for it to fill up. You can start letting the water fill in the footwell down there. Maybe take the robe off once it gets to your knees or, whatever level you prefer. And then once the water reaches the top of your back jets here, that's when you can feel free to turn those on and get going with your bath. If you have any more questions on how to operate your SafeStep walk-in tub, feel free to contact us with any questions you have or watch the full video of how to use your SafeStep walk-in tub.